Welcome, Science and Technology, Standard 10, Part 2, Chapter 6, Classification of Animals. Types of phylum. All animals are classified into 10 phyla. And in this video, we are going to study about the characteristics of phylum Porifera and phylum Coelenterata. First phylum, Porifera. Let's see characteristics of Porifera. First, these animals are with the simplest body plan. Their body is very simple. Diagram is also given and are called as the sponges. They bear numerous pores on their body. Numerous means uncountable. Pores, small opening. Uncountable small openings on their body. त्यांच्या बॉडीवरती असंख्य छिद्रे असतात. Those pores are called as ostia. These are all pores and pores are called as the ostia and osculum. Second, these are aquatic animals. Aquatic means they exist in a water. Most of them are marine. Marine means they are sea related, exist in a sea, and few are fresh water dwellers. Fresh water, water other than a sea. Fresh water, it includes water in a ponds, lakes, rivers, streams and even underground water called as the groundwater. म्हणजे याच्यापैकी काही मरीन आहेत, समुद्रामध्ये राहणारे आणि काही गोड्या पाण्यामध्ये राहणारे आहेत. Third, most of the animals have a asymmetrical body. Asymmetrical body means there is a lack of symmetry. In case of unsymmetrical body, there is no any such imaginary axis of the body through which we can get two equal halves. म्हणजे असं कोणताच इमॅजिनरी अक्ष नाही आहे की त्याच्यामुळे आपल्याला बॉडीचे दोन इक्वल भाग मिळतील. Four, these animals have a special type of cells called collar cells. These animals are always attached to substratum. Substratum, it is the underlying layer, especially of rock or soil. Substratum means it एक support आहे. They are always, these animals are always attached to the substratum, hence do not show locomotion. Means there is no movement because they are attached to support, they are attached to rock like substratum and they are referred as a sedentary work. Sedentary means no movement. ते एका सपोर्टला अटॅच असतात आणि त्याच्यामुळे त्यांची काहीच मूवमेंट्स होत नाही आणि म्हणूनच त्यांना सिडेंटरी ॲनिमल्स असं म्हटलं जातं. Sixth, their spongy body is supported by a spicules or a spongium. Spicules, pointed structure म्हणजे आपण त्याला काटे असं म्हणतो. स्पिक्युल्स आहेत आणि these spicules are made up of the calcium carbonate or silica. Seventh, these animals feed upon small organisms taken in their body along with the water, and water is taken in through ostia and given out through the oscula. Ostia, water is taken from small openings or pores from ostia. These animals take water and along with the water they also take the small microorganisms, and from here osculum they given out water. Eighth, These animals reproduce by budding and asexual method. Budding means small bird is formed and from that bird new animal is formed, or by sexual method also. Besides, they have a good ability of regeneration. Regeneration means you may know that the wall lizard break up and discard some part of a tail in emergency. Discarded part is regenerated after a period. This is an example of regeneration. पुनर्जनन, जसं वॉल लिझार्ड जे आहे, भिंतीवरची पाल आहे, तिचं समजा टेलचा एखादा पार्ट जर कट झाला, ब्रेक झाला आणि नंतर आपण पुन्हा थोड्या दिवसांनी बघितलं तर ते पुन्हा रिकन्स्ट्रक्ट झालेलं असतं. याला म्हणायचं रिजनरेशन. मीन्स बॉडी ब्रेक झाली तरी ब्रेक झालेल्या पार्ट जो आहे तो होल बॉडी रिकन्स्ट्रक्ट करतो. दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज दी रिजनरेशन. एक्झाम्पल्स: सायकॉन, Euspongia, called as the bath sponge, Hyloneema and Euplectella, etc. So these are all the characteristics of phylum Porifera. Second phylum, Coelenterata or Cnidaria. Characteristic of Coelenterata: first, body of this animal is a cylindrical or umbrella like. If body is a cylindrical, then it is called as the polyp, and if it is umbrella like, then it is called as the medusa. Second, most of these animals are marine. Marines, they exist in a sea water and only few are fresh water. गोड्या पाण्यातले असतात. Body of these animals is radially symmetrical. अरीय सममिती असते. Radial symmetry in this type of body, if imaginary cut passes through the central axis but any plane of body, it gives two equal halves. आपल्याला दोन इक्वल भाग मिळतात. अँड डिप्लोप्लास्टिक मीन्स देअर आर टू जर्म्स लेयर्स, एंडोडर्म अँड एक्टोडर्म. थर्ड, बॉडी ऑफ these animals fourth, nidoblast bearing tentacles are present around the mouth. See, tentacle structure. Tentacles are present around the mouth and these tentacles are useful for capturing the prey, whereas nidoblast inject the toxin in the body of prey. And these tentacles are also useful for protection. Example: Hydra, Adamsia means sea anemone, Physalia, Aurelia, jellyfish, corals, etc. Coral, sea anemone and Hydra diagrams are given in the screen. So these are all the characteristics of phylum Coelenterata and Coelenterata or Cnidaria. Thank you.